We're taking a little look here. This is the kitchen. This is the living room. We've got all the supplies on the ground. And we're gonna go back and check out the laundry area. And this is the bathroom. Let's take a look in here. You got the transit window, the one-piece fiberglass tub, and the commode, and the lid is safely tucked in the vanity. You got a framed mirror, and take a look there, and then we'll look from this angle. Now we're in a little bit of a tilt as the house is in a holding area until we put it on the lot. And here we have the bedroom. Let's take a look from the other angle. So you've got vinyl flooring throughout, the hot water heater, the closet. Hi there. We got one more bedroom to videotape. It is a cold day. We're here December 1st in Carteret Mobile Park, taking a look at the, no, that's too loud for the video, honey. Wait till I'm done. So this is the bedroom. Louis, can you tell people about the bedroom? Okay. This is the bedroom, the second bedroom, right? About big enough for a twin bed or a desk. So let's take a look from this angle.
Baby.
And here too. All right. Go check out our website, myhomeincarteret.com.